Welcome back to another video. So I don't remember what video it was that I told you guys I was going to do some pour paint acrylic art. So I have all my stuff to make my paintings, and these paintings are going to be for patients and coworkers that I worked with here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I look weird. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some artworks. First, I need to prepare my area. I bought like a tarp type thing and my paints, my palettes. I'm so excited. So let's set up for the paint, and you guys can watch if you want. This is why we can't have nice things, because we have art. So the material I'll be using today is, we have these canvas. I called them palettes earlier. And oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Will you cut that shit out? Oh my god, there's a hole in, oh my god. So we have some canvas, 12 by 12, and these are the paints I'll be using. I have some copper, gold, red, silver, black, white, blue, and medium. Yes? May I help you? We got some sticks, cups, and water. So we're gonna start with our first canvas, and that one is going to consist of like gold, silver, black, white, copper. Like kind of get that metallic-y look. So let's start with that one. Boom! And on that note, guys, don't forget to like this video. So now what I need to do is I need to kind of dilute them a little bit so they slide on the canvas better. I just dilute them with water, and then I add pouring medium, which will kind of give those little cell looking, like a cool texture in a way. Not a texture, but like a cool look. Let's start pouring some water and mixing with our sticks. Oh my god, I remember when I was younger, I can't with these cats, they're so hyper right now. I don't know if it's this plastic paper, I don't know what it is, but they're so hyper. Anyway, so let's just add some water. Oh, you guys can't even see, silly me. Wait 1 second. All right, so we'll start with our copper. So like I said, I'm just gonna add some water and mix it up. Always start off with a little bit of water at a time, because as I just noticed, I think I put way too much water in here, and that's a lot of wasted product. So this is how I like it. I like it nice and smooth to a point where it kind of has a peak. It makes like a little tiny peak, but it like kind of falls right back down. That's a good like consistency of paint, because you want, like I said, you want it to like kind of drip and roll all over your canvas, and that's how you get that pretty pour paint effect. So this actually came out really nice. So we're gonna do the same thing to silver, black, and white. So stay tuned, because I'm sure you don't want to watch me mix for 5 hours. Oh my god, I've recorded for 7 minutes. Copywriting.
So she tired of money, need a big boy. Pull a 20-inch blade hard. Shorty mixing up the vodka with the liquor. G-Wagon, G-Wagon, G-Wagon.
2 hours later.
So now I have all my colors. They're all diluted with water. Now what I need to do, now I need to add my medium. medium, which will give that sail effect and make sure that my art don't look like crack. So let's pour, boop, boop, boop. I don't really know measurement. I'm just kind of putting it in there, as you guys can see. Mix it up really good. Mix it up really good. Okay, so now it's all mixed up. So now let's get a fresh cup and we're gonna start creating our pour. Okay, next scene please. Next scene, hello. God, get with the program. Now we have our empty cup. We're gonna start with our pouring. Okay, so let's start with, let's get some black on the bottom. Let's get some silver in there. Copper. Get a little more black in there. Some white. Gold. That should be good enough for piece number 1. Okay, so we got our canvas right here. Can you guys see it okay? I don't have a proper tripod. I'm kind of just using a crock pot bowl. Get out! Okay, so we got our canvas. Beautiful, nothing on it. So what I want to try and do is I want to try and get this like right in the middle without pouring it everywhere. I'm going to set it on the top. And, oh my god. Oh my god. Cool. Alright, we got it on the middle. Kinda on the middle. I mean, it's whatever. I'm just gonna tap it to try and get all that paint to drip to the bottom. In the meantime, let's take some white, kind of pour it around. And then we'll use a stick to kind of smear it. Now my techniques are different than a lot of people. Everybody has their own way of doing their own art. That's what makes it art. I mean, it's just somebody using their creativity to create the most beautiful, wabi-sabi piece of art that they can do from what they use. A lot of people have better tools than me or better paint than me. I mean, I bought stuff that was buy one get one free at Michael's, but again, it's whatever works for you. It doesn't have to be perfect, because what is perfect? Perfect is an illusion in my eyes. All right, and I'm gonna kind of like drag it a little bit and let it go. So as you can see, the little cells, those are kind of like the little circle thingies that are kind of starting to appear. They slowly start appearing, and then that's the excess paint from the cup. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab, like, you would normally use a torch. I don't have a torch. So I'm going to use a lighter, and I'm going to kind of light it up to try and make those cells really pop. So this is the torch I'll be using. Like I said, it's just a lighter. I don't really have a torch, so I just use this thing. And it works really good. So I'm just gonna light some stuff on fire. So now we're gonna start kind of moving it around and really trying to see those other colors. Like, I don't really see the copper so much. And that's how you make pouring acrylic art. Ah! So now you can really see what the finished product looks like. You can kind of see all the colors come together really nicely, and those cells pop. I really love those cells. That's what makes it like amazing art. So now I'm just gonna have to move it so it can go dry somewhere, and hopefully my cats won't destroy it, because like I said, this is a gift. And I did also forget one trick. So that way it's easy to like kind of pick up. You could put like thumbtacks on the bottom, so it's like a little table, but I didn't do that. So let's move it over here and let it dry. Cool. So like I said before, it would be easier before you started painting your canvas to put the thumbtacks on the bottom. Can you see? Thumbtack. Put them on all fours like a table so that way it's easier to pick up and then the paint kind of just falls on the side. I forgot to do that the first time, so I'm letting you guys know the second time that that's the best way to do it. We're going to make another canvas kind of like that one, but with the same colors. Of course, you can't ever make the same exact pour painting acrylic art because they all come out different. So we're going to make this one next with the same colors. So I was thinking instead of using 1 cup this time, let's use 2 cups. So that way it gives it more of a, I don't know, but let's do it. We made our fantastic colors. Can you see them? Yeah. Again, now it's gonna be harder to kind of flip 2 colors on the canvas at one time than 1. So what I'm gonna do is I'll do 1 on one side, flip it like that, and then this one I'm just gonna kind of try. Easier than I thought. I thought I was gonna destroy it. And then let's pour the rest of our white all around. Get all of that white. So as you guys may already know, I'm moving back to New Jersey and we're gonna be starting off living in an apartment because it didn't really work out so well to look for a home to buy. Since we're so far away, it'd be easier to just buy a home. When we're there, we can see everything and not get scammed. But I do want a place that has like some type of shed in the backyard so I can turn it into like an art studio and do more art videos. If you guys want to watch more art videos, do you think you guys would still watch my channel if I did more art videos? If so, comment below because I'm curious on how many of y'all like art. And if you guys just like my daily stuff or cooking or whatever, let me know. Comment below what you guys like most about my channel so I can like kind of fulfill you guys and have you guys kind of come back to my channel more often. Because I notice a lot of times people will come to my channel, watch a few videos and then like disappear. But that could be, you know, me just trying to connect with you guys trying to connect with me, like, oh, give me a subscriber, and then like sometimes we don't return to each other's channels. And I really want repeat visits. So comment below what you like about my channel, what will keep you guys watching my shit. Let's pull up our first cup. What? And let's drip all that shit on there. And then let's do this one. And let's add some fire. Let's add some fire, guys. Alright, so as you see, this one like looks a lot better. Like, this one's definitely a lot more detailed. Okay, so now for the grand finale. This is when we start to shift everything. Oh my gosh, guys, like I told you before, this one definitely came out a lot better. Look at this. It looks like you're getting a view of like a planet or something. It just looks really, really dope. Now, if you didn't already know, this is a custom one. I let my coworker pick out what color she liked the most. She liked one of my past arts. She liked one of my other art that I did. It had the same colors basically. So if you think my acrylic pouring art is so beautiful, don't forget to comment below on how much you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I will be making another one because I have a few more people that do want some of my artwork. So thank you guys for watching my videos. And don't forget to come back for another one. And I love all you guys. And you guys are awesome. And bye.